the Lord of the Rings. Action figures set up for war. Some of the most gruesome creatures that ever lived in movie version.
There we go.
We've got the most gruesome of all, the Devil Dog and his rider. We have the White Warlock. We have 3 versions of the Hobbit. 3 very good versions of the Hobbit. Where's the timer? We have Gollum, and we have dwarves. Now I wish I could name them all, but I'm not that good. But you can just take a long look at it. Beautiful Lord of the Rings action figures set up for battle.